So, where can I buy a cell matrix and what does it cost? Well, most of the work in cell matrix have been done on simulations. And there's a number of reasons for this. A simulator is going to be a lot cheaper than actual custom hardware. It's going to be easier to work with. You can look inside cells, for example, with a simulator, whereas you can't do that with physical hardware. We can also make a much larger simulator. We can simulate a large number of cells more feasibly than building hardware with a large number of cells. Nonetheless, a few months after the first specification was developed back in 1986, we did create custom hardware. We fabricated some 2-micron CMOS chips that implemented 12 cells, a 4x3 array of cells on a 64-pin chip that was fabricated through Moses. And that gave us an early prototype that we could use as a proof of concept. We've done various implementations on top of FPGAs, and that's pretty easy to do. The specifications for a cell are in the public domain. You can write some Verilog or VHDL and put it on top of a commercial device, and I'll probably do a lecture at some point on different ways to do that. We also briefly manufactured something that we called the Mod 88. This was a hardware implementation of an 8x8 matrix with each cell having a color-coded LED that indicated cell activity. We don't really manufacture these anymore, but nonetheless it did provide another hardware platform that people could work with for a while. What does it cost? Really nothing. The course is free, of course. Talking to me, if you want to swap ideas or just kick around some thoughts, that's free. The original patent on cell matrix, which used a shifting memory, that patent is still in effect. But the other 3 patents that we've had on the system, the non-shifting version, the techniques for wire building, and some embellishments for high-speed communication among cells, we've allowed all those patents to lapse, which means that IP is in the public domain now, and it's free for you to use and learn from and build on. There may be some IP down the road that we decide to go ahead and protect, but for now, basically everything that's out there is available except for the original shifting version of the truth table. So what does it cost? It's mostly just going to cost your own time, which is just limited by your own interest. So this is meant to be a collaborative effort. The goal is to get people working on this, get people excited about it, and hopefully see some good outcomes from all of this effort.